sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
Nexat is an extraordinary all-in-one agricultural machine that represents a groundbreaking shift in the future of farming. Developed with a holistic approach to crop production, Nexat is engineered to manage every single phase of the agricultural process, from soil cultivation and seeding to crop protection and harvesting, using one centralized and fully modular system. What sets this machine apart is its innovative carrier vehicle, which travels horizontally across fields for optimal coverage and vertically on roads for convenient transportation. This versatile platform allows different functional modules to be interchanged based on the task, turning Nexat into a true multipurpose powerhouse. The working width of the machine ranges from approximately 19 feet to a staggering 79 feet, enabling high efficiency and productivity over vast farmland areas. Each module is seamlessly integrated, with its weight distributed across the carrier for maximum performance and soil protection. Currently, Nexat is powered by two independent 550 horsepower diesel engines that generate electricity for the system, but it's also designed with the future in mind, ready to adopt green hydrogen fuel cell technology for zero-emission operations. One of the most compelling aspects of Nexat is its autonomous capability. Once programmed, the system can operate with minimal human intervention, guided by precision GPS and smart software that ensures accurate, consistent work across every field. This forward-thinking technology not only reduces labor demands, but also improves sustainability by optimizing inputs and minimizing environmental impact. Nexat isn't just a machine. It's an advanced, eco-conscious farming solution poised to revolutionize global agriculture. Nicholson has recently introduced a new and innovative pumpkin harvester that's transforming the way pumpkins are collected during harvest season. This cutting-edge machine is engineered to be both cost-efficient and highly effective, offering farmers a reliable method for gathering pumpkins without compromising their quality. Traditional pumpkin harvesting often involves significant manual labor and the risk of damaging the produce, but Nicholson's latest technology addresses those challenges by handling each pumpkin with care, preserving its condition from field to market. This is especially important during the fall months, when pumpkin harvesting reaches its peak. In both the United States and the United Kingdom, pumpkin picking is more than just an agricultural process. It's a beloved seasonal tradition. Every autumn, families visit local farms to enjoy the nostalgic experience of choosing the perfect pumpkin to carve for Halloween or decorate their homes. The market demand for pumpkins has grown significantly, with consumers seeking everything from classic orange varieties to more unusual shapes and colors. Supermarkets now feature an impressive array of pumpkins, and the need for efficient harvesting methods has never been greater. Nicholson's new harvester not only meets that demand, but enhances the entire process, making it faster, safer, and more precise, benefiting both farmers and families who cherish this seasonal ritual. Terminal 4 at Baoan International Airport in Shenzhen represents a bold step forward in modern airport design and sustainable urban integration. Designed by the renowned architectural firm RSHP, Rogers Stirk Harbor Plus Partners, in collaboration with China Northeast Architectural Design and Research Institute, NADI, this visionary terminal will transform passenger experiences and urban connectivity in one of China's busiest regions. Spanning an impressive 400,000 square meters, the terminal will feature 60 new aircraft stands and serve an estimated 31 million passengers annually, including both international and domestic travelers. The integration of existing and upcoming transport infrastructure is central to the project, ensuring seamless ground-to-air connectivity. At the heart of the design is a stunning 10,000 square meter central garden, equivalent in size to 40 tennis courts. This lush green space not only provides a serene, welcoming environment for travelers, but also acts as a symbolic front door to the city of Shenzhen. It embodies the airport's commitment to sustainability, wellness, and enhancing the quality of life in urban environments. Working alongside engineering giants Ecom and Railway 2, the design emphasizes fluid mobility, environmental consciousness, and cutting-edge architectural innovation. Terminal 4 will not only redefine travel in Shenzhen, but also stand as a global benchmark for eco-centric and user-focused airport terminals of the future. The Virgo 1 is a groundbreaking agricultural robot designed to revolutionize the way we harvest tomatoes. Developed as the company's first intelligent farming solution, Virgo 1 stands out for its remarkable precision and gentle handling, capable of picking ripe tomatoes without causing any bruising or damage. One of its most impressive capabilities is its superior ripeness detection. It can actually recognize ripe tomatoes with greater accuracy than the human eye. Equipped with a full suite of advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras, Virgo 1 navigates greenhouses autonomously, day or night, thanks to its onboard lighting system. This allows it to operate continuously and effectively across vast commercial greenhouses without human intervention. At the heart of this robot lies a sophisticated AI system that functions as its brain, allowing it to make real-time decisions and adapt to complex environments. What truly sets Virgo apart is its robotic arm, which is fitted with a nimble and responsive hand. This specialized arm can harvest tomatoes with exceptional delicacy, ensuring the fruit is removed cleanly while avoiding any damage to the surrounding vines. It's also safe enough to work side by side with humans, opening new possibilities for collaborative farming. Virgo 1 is not just a machine, it represents a leap forward in agricultural innovation, promising to enhance productivity, reduce labor strain, and preserve the quality of every tomato it picks. The Nomad Pro is a groundbreaking and innovative motorhome that offers the perfect blend of freedom, adventure, and luxurious comfort on the open road. Designed for those who have a passion for exploration and crave off-grid experiences, the Nomad Pro brings together cutting-edge technology with the comforts of a fully equipped home. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior not only looks modern and stylish, but also enhances performance and fuel efficiency. Despite its compact footprint, the Nomad Pro surprises with a spacious, thoughtfully designed interior. Inside, travelers will find a cozy and comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen ready for gourmet meal preparation, and a relaxing living space perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. What sets the Nomad Pro apart is its ability to operate independently of traditional power sources, thanks to an efficient combination of solar panels and a high-capacity battery system. This sustainable setup allows for extended off-grid travel, opening the door to remote destinations without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Whether you are journeying deep into the wilderness, following scenic coastal roads, or simply seeking a flexible, mobile lifestyle, the Nomad Pro is your ultimate companion. It offers the freedom to embrace the nomadic spirit while enjoying all the luxuries of home, wherever the road may take you. Trailer's Boundary Series tent stands out as a top-tier option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a perfect balance between durability, comfort, and convenience. Thoughtfully designed to make setup effortless, it features an intuitive layout along with color-coded poles, making assembly straightforward even under challenging weather conditions. Whether you're an experienced camper or a first-time adventurer, you'll appreciate how easy and stress-free it is to get the tent ready for use. One of its standout qualities is the unique way it integrates seamlessly with vehicles, offering an expanded living and sleeping space that feels both practical and comfortable. Built from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, the Boundary Series is engineered to withstand the harsh elements while still providing a warm, cozy retreat inside. The interior is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring clever additions like built-in storage compartments to keep gear organized and adjustable ventilation systems to maintain airflow and prevent condensation. No matter the environment, this tent promises a secure and inviting home base for your outdoor adventures. The Boundary Series is tailored to meet the needs of all kinds of adventurers, from casual campers to serious expeditioners, ensuring every trip becomes a memorable experience surrounded by comfort, protection, and smart design. Would you also like a slightly more energetic or rugged version depending on the vibe you're aiming for, like a promo for an adventure brand? Introducing DJI's latest marvel, the Mavic 4 Pro. A groundbreaking leap in consumer drone technology that sets a new standard for aerial filmmaking. Released in May 2025, this drone is a creative powerhouse, featuring a remarkable 100 megapixel, 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor that delivers astonishing image clarity and breathtaking detail. Whether you're capturing cinematic 6K video at 60 frames per second or ultra-sharp still images, the Mavic 4 Pro ensures your content is nothing short of extraordinary. Complementing its main camera are two powerful telephoto lenses, one at 50 megapixels and the other at 48, offering unparalleled versatility for creators who need precision, depth, and flexibility in every shot. Designed for endurance, it boasts an impressive maximum flight time of up to 51 minutes, allowing you to stay in the air longer and capture more without interruption. Navigating even the most complex environments becomes effortless thanks to omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and a revolutionary 360-degree rotating gimbal that enables smooth, dynamic movements from every angle. Pilots will also appreciate the new RC Pro 2 controller, which features a dazzling 7-inch, 2000-nit ultra-bright display and compatibility with third-party apps, making it easier than ever to control your creative vision. While US Pi availability is still pending due to regulatory constraints, the Mavic 4 Pro is already making waves in Canada, Europe, and Australia, launching at a starting price of around $2,000.